Well, people sometimes ask me if I have any words of advice for young people, and here are a few simple admonitions. Never interfere in a boy and girl fight. Beware of whores who say they don't want money. In the long run, these are the most expensive whores what can be got. If you're doing business with a religious son of a bitch, get it in writing. Because his word isn't worth shit, not with the good Lord telling him how to fuck you on the deal. If, after having been exposed to someone's presence, you feel as if you'd lost a quart of plasma, avoid that presence. You need it like you need pernicious anemia. We don't like to hear the word vampire here, trying to improve our PR. Interdependence is the key word. Enlightened interdependence. Life in all its rich variety, take a little, leave a little. However, by the inexorable logistics of the vampiric process, they always take more than they leave. Avoid fuck-ups. Fools, I call them. You all know the type. Everything they have anything to do with turns into a disaster, no matter how good it may sound. Yeah. Trouble for themselves and everyone connected with them. A foo is bad news and it rubs off. Don't let it rub off on you. Do not prefer sympathy to the mentally ill. It's a bottomless pit. Tell them firmly, I'm not paid to listen to this drivel, you are eternal fool. And avoid confirmed criminals, they are a special malignant strain of fool.